am Shoma Bandyopadhyay, Assistant Professor of CSE Department, MCKV Institute of Engineering. Today, I will discuss about the parity generator and parity checker circuit. Majority of modern communication is digital in nature. That is, it is a combination of ones and zeros. The digital data is transmitted either through wires or wireless. Even in an advanced mode of communication, there will be errors while transmitting data due to noise. The simplest of errors is corruption of a bit. A 1 may be transmitted as a 0 or vice versa. To confirm whether the received data is the intended data or not, we should be able to detect errors at the receiver. Exclusive OR and equivalence functions are very useful in systems requiring error detection and error correction code. A parity bit is a scheme for detecting errors during transmission of binary information. A parity bit is an extra bit included with a binary message to make the number of ones either odd or even. The message including the parity bit is transmitted and then checked at the receiving end for errors. An error is detected if the checked parity does not correspond to the one transmitted. The circuit that generates the parity bit in the transmitter is called a parity generator. The circuit that checks the parity in the receiver is called a parity checker. Suppose if you consider a 3-bit message to be transmitted with an odd parity bit, in the truth table will show odd parity generation. So, odd parity generation. 3-bit message. Parity bit generated. Zero, one, one, 100, 101, 110 and 111. So here this is 1, then 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. So this table shows the truth table of the parity generator. The 3 bits X, Y and Z constitute the message and are the inputs to the circuit. X, Y, Z are the input of the circuit and bit P is generated for odd parity. So P is the output. The total number of P is odd including the P. The total number of bit that is generated, that will be odd including P. This is for odd parity. So from this truth table we can see that P equal to 1 when the number of ones in X, Y and Z are even. That means if we draw the Karnaugh map for this, the Karnaugh map will be like this. Drawing the Karnaugh map for this function. This is x complement x, y complement z complement y complement z, yz complement. 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 and 1 0 here 0 1. So uh, 1 is these are 1, these 4 boxes, these 4 square are 1. So from this we can get the function t can be expressed as x XOR y then equivalence z. So the logic diagram for this parity generator will be like this circuit. So this is x, y, then z. This is p. So this is actually 3-bit odd parity generator. So for the odd parity, the bit p is generated so as to make the total number of ones odd including p. So p is 1 when the number of ones in x, y and z is even. And we will get the expression p equal to this. So the logic diagram here we are using an XOR gate and another is XNOR gate. That means the equivalence gate. One is 2 input XOR gate, another is 2 input equivalence gate. So the two gates can be interchanged and it will produce the same function. If we write this function, this is equivalent, same. Okay, so the two gate can be interchanged. The 3-bit message and the parity bit are transmitted to their destination where they are applied to a parity checker circuit. An error occurs during transmission if the parity of the 4-bit receives is even, since the binary information transmitted was originally odd. So the output C of the parity checker should be a 1 when an error occurs. So the output C of the parity checker should be 1 when the error occurs. That means when the number of ones in the fourth input is even. So from this table we can see if we write the 4-bit received, 4-bit received, this is odd parity check. Parity error check. X, Y, Z, E, and C. Zero, 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 one, zero, zero, one, zero, 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 one, one, zero, one, zero, 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 one, zero, one, zero, one, one, zero, zero, one, 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 1000 1001 1010 1011 1100 1110 1 0 1 1 1 1 0 and 1 1 1 1. So here we will get the output. In this case, this will be the 1 or even number of 1, the output will be 1. So this in 0, then this is 0 0 0 0. So this is the parity error check output. So from this truth table, this is actually the odd parity checker circuit. From it, we see that the function for C consists of the 8 minterm with numerical values having an even number of zeros. So, if we draw the Karnaugh map for this truth table, function, we can write the function. So, the Karnaugh map will be like this. 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. So so 1 we are writing the output function is 1. So here the function can be expressed with equivalence operators where we can write C equal to X equivalence Z equivalence Y equivalence Z equivalence. So we can say that the parity generator can be implemented with a circuit if we draw the circuit like this. This one is, this is a equivalence. Z, this is C. So it is 4-bit odd parity checker. So the parity checker, this is basically the 4-bit parity checker circuit, and this circuit, from this circuit the parity generator also can be implemented if the input P is permanently held at logic 0 and the output is marked as P. So the advantage being that the same circuit can be used for both parity generation and checking. Okay, so this is all about the parity generator and checker. Thank you.